The sun shines down on the forest green. The birds sing their songs in the trees. The flowers bloom in a riot of color, and the bees burst from flower to flower. The wind whispers through the leaves, and the waves crash against the shore. The animals roam free in the wild, and the earth is a beautiful place. Nature is a gift, and we should cherish it. We should protect it, and we should never take it for granted. For nature is our home, and we are a part of it. We are all connected, and we all share this planet. So let us celebrate nature, and let us do our part to protect it. Let us make the world a better place, for ourselves and for future generations.